So yun, it's 10:32. Hindi pa rin kompleto yung ibang vendors ng ating mga exotic expo dito. So we're taking a break muna. Ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo kapag when you're going to Pet Expo, if you're taking a break or if you're greeting a friend, tumabi muna kayo sa gilid. As you can see, medyo dumadami na yung tao. And ginawa ko rin yung interviews ko. I made sure na medyo maaga para syempre hindi makaabala or hindi makahassle dun sa mga vendors natin at baka makaabala ko while they're talking to other customers. So ayun lang, when you're attending Pet Expos, be sure to be prepared. Bring your bottled water, bag, panyo, and of course, be mindful of other people as well. So ayun lang. Mamaya kikitain ko yung friends ko, so stay tuned. In a sea of people, hindi siya makita. Ngayon. Diba? Hindi pa nakatingin sa nilalakarin. Uy, okay lang.
Hi, friend!
Okay, ito pala si Kuya Darwin, Ate Juvie, and their daughter Luna. So, Kuya Darwin, so dami na nagtatanong sa inyo, sino gumawa ng COT chamber ko? Siya yun, si Kuya Darwin.
Yes.
Ang handle niya,
Moonlit Exotics.
Exotic.
Yes, kung gusto niyo magpagawa, 10K per. Joke lang.
Hindi nga, ang dami nagtatanong kung magpapagawa.
PM na lang kayo sa page pag may time. Thank
Meron
you.
siyang IG and Facebook.
Yes, both Moonlit Exotics.
Moonlit Exotic. So, ayun. Hanapin muna namin yung iba naming mga nawawalang friends. So, we'll see you in a bit. Ate Gabby.
Hi.
Right? Ate Gabby. Ate Gabby from...
From Reptile Superstore. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, we're the organizers of Philippine Pet Expo. Hi.
Yes. So, hi ate. Baka pwede mo kami pahapyawan. Short interview.
Okay, sure. Sure.
Dumaan lang siya. Nakatakbo na.
I was going shopping, but sure.
Ate Gabby is one of the owners of Reptile Superstore, which is located in
Scoutcast Store in QC.
Quezon City. Madalas kami doon dati nung nakatira pa kami sa QC. So,
Yes.
RSS is actually a one-stop shop
For reptiles, so for all your reptile needs, you can head out to the shop from reptiles to products. We'll give you advice. We'll help you be part and get started with the reptile community.
Actually, Ate Gabby, maraming nagtatanong sa akin regarding sa Reptizone na enclosures
Yeah,
nyo.
yeah.
Baka, meron ba kayo nakadisplay today?
Yeah, that's there.
Okay, sige, puntahan na lang natin. Sige. Thank you, Ate Gabby. Hindi na kita guguluhin. Thank you.